Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing essentials, an enabled Gemini account or API key, and clear consent from your partner. Once done, gather 3 to 6 reference photos that show varied expressions and angles so the model understands each face. Make sure you choose a style and aspect ratio up front, for example 5 for portraits or 16, 9 for landscapes, and pick a target resolution like 1024 or 2048 px. Now start a new generation task and upload those references as visual. You now craft the prompt. Name the couple as subjects, specify clothing, background, and an explicit style reference, for instance vintage film or modern cinematic, then add lighting and mood. Once done, include negative prompts to remove artifacts or unwanted props, and set parameters like guidance scale and sampling steps to balance creativity and fidelity. Make sure to use the seed for reproducibility and try image blending if you want a mix of both partners' features. Iterate quickly with small edits to refine results. You finish by reviewing generated images, picking the best variants, and applying mild retouching or upscaling to reach final quality. Once done, export in your chosen format and keep originals for auditability. Make sure you verify consent and intended usage rights before sharing publicly. If something goes wrong, for example faces look distorted or features are inaccurate, tweak the prompt specificity, increase guidance scale, or provide crisper reference photos. Repeating small iterations usually resolves most fidelity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.